Good morning, boys, and what is up? Today is Tuesday, June 23rd. I'm going to show you guys the trade I took today, why I took it, right? Let's get into this. I made around $530 on 4 TopStep accounts, and I made $350 on 5 Alpha Future accounts. On Alpha Futures, I just need winning days. On TopStep, I need to make another like $1.5 thousand to take out basically a $6,000 payout on TopStep and a $10,000 payout on Alpha Futures, right? So we're looking at a potential $16,000 in payouts before the month ends, which would be very ideal, right? In the meantime, I'll show you guys basically the trade I took today, why I took it, explaining everything. But I will say my live account is basically down. It's down $6,000 on the day, and that is cooked. But that is because of some margin bullshit. So if you guys know what the best broker is, please let me know. I would love to give it a shot. All right, I'm gonna go straight into the trade recap. All right, so coming into market open, I was extremely bearish. I wanted to see shorts, right? I thought we were just gonna continue lower off this hourly gap right here. I thought we were just gonna continue lower and eventually take out this low right here. This was my objective for the day, right? But we never got any confirmation, and there was also an S&T there with ES, which I didn't care much about. I still thought NQ could have taken it, but I'm gonna get into why I didn't take a short and I took a long instead, right? So we had this bearish 15-minute gap around here that was also aligned with OTE of the bearish range. It was a very nice short setup. However, we never got an entry confirmation, not once, right? We have all of this right here, OTE aligned with the gap, and you can see right here, I'm waiting for this gap right here to get inversed. That was going to be my entry trigger, right? I don't usually trade IFEGs, but in this scenario specifically, it was a very suitable entry trigger because that is what was carrying price up this entire time. So what I would have taken was this. If we were to inverse it, right? But we never actually inversed it. We held it, pushed higher, made this order block right here, pushed higher. I wanted to enter here, but I wasn't 100% convicted in the trade. I wait for this candle closure right here and then a 30-second closure, and that is when I enter. Like halfway through this candle, basically stops like here, sorry, with my take profit at this high, right? Basically for a 1-to-1. Right, I liked this candle closure. We immediately ripped the upside, just entered off that displacement, and then TP at this high up here, right? That was the trade idea, at least. TP was to make $5,000. Stop loss was to lose $5,000, and I was down like 4.8 or 4. No, sorry, I was on like 4.4 or something around here, and price just immediately cut me out of the trade. Due to margin maintenance, I'm assuming since we dumped 3% overnight, that makes complete sense. I think I just forgot to check it. I never checked the margin requirement, and I don't think I will. I don't care much about it, but I probably should look into it more after today. This trade is not based off premium or discount. This trade is based off us disrespecting a bearish 15-minute gap, disrespecting bearish OTE, respecting this bullish 5-minute change in state and delivery, and respecting this 1-minute gap and this order block that we created. I really like this trade. Like I said, I took this on my TopStep and my Alpha Futures, and I banked on all of those, right? So that was basically where that came from, the money from today. Besides that, I'm dead tired. I'm gonna be looking into a new brokerage because this is insane to me. But yeah, boys, I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I hope you guys all learned something new today, even though today was kind of a weird day. But yeah, I wanted price to push lower. We had OT, we had an hourly gap, and we didn't get that confirmation we needed. So didn't take the short. Instead, I took a long, right? Simple. I even told the Discord, like, I'm not even looking for longs. So longs wasn't even a consideration in my head, and then that's all we respected. Disrespected bearish, respected bullish. So I took a long, right? I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.